Donald Trump has slammed his charges of 34 counts of fraud in a New York court. Calling it election interference and a witch hunt, he returned to his Florida home to give a primetime TV address. Many expected a blistering response, but instead it was a campaign speech. He says his lawyers believe there is no case against him.
And I never thought anything like this could happen in America. Never thought it could happen. The only crime that I have committed is to fearlessly defend our nation from those who seek to destroy it. So much more. Our elections were like those of a third world country. And now this massive election interference at a scale never seen before in our country.
Without a doubt, Trump's earlier court appearance was a moment of history, marking the first time a former US president has been charged with a crime. Those charges, to which he has pleaded not guilty, involve falsifying business records in which prosecutors allege was a conspiracy to influence the 2016 presidential election by silencing claims of extramarital affairs.
Under New York state law, it is a felony to falsify business records with intent to defraud and an intent to conceal another crime. That is exactly what this case is about. 34 false statements made to cover up other crimes.
While Republicans have largely rallied around Trump, Democrats have been notably quiet. The former president is running for a second term in the White House, but he's facing a series of separate criminal investigations that could result in further charges between now and Election Day.
The former president was stone-faced and silent as he entered and exited the Manhattan courtroom here. His plea was not guilty, facing the judge who warned him to refrain from rhetoric that could inflame or cause civil unrest. A few hours later, Donald Trump was back in the ballroom of his private club in Florida, railing against the criminal case and painting it again as a political persecution. Prosecutors say Trump conspired to illegally influence the 2016 election, doing so through a series of payments to women who alleged affairs with him. Before the arraignment, he narrated his feelings in real time, describing the experience as surreal. Outside the court building, protesters made their voices heard, but there were no disturbances. Philip Crowther, Euronews, New York.